Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into a piece of gear that every serious Yamaha marine enthusiast or mechanic should have in their toolkit. I'm talking about the Yamaha YDS marine diagnostic tool. If you own a Yamaha jet ski or a boat with a Yamaha, you know how crucial it is to keep those engines running in top condition. Well, this little gadget is your secret weapon for doing just that. So, what exactly is the Yamaha YDS, or Yamaha Diagnostic System? Think of it as a direct line of communication with your engine's brain. It has a powerful tool that plugs right into your engine SECU and tells you everything you need to know. From simple error codes to complex real-time data, it's designed specifically for Yamaha waverunners and Yamaha outboards, making it the most accurate and reliable diagnostic solution out there for these engines. Let's break down what this tool can actually do. First and foremost, it reads and clears fault codes, or fee codes, as they're often called. You know, that dreaded warning light on your dash. Instead of guessing what's wrong or rushing to a dealer, the YDS will tell you the exact problem. Maybe it's a faulty sensor, an ignition issue, or something else entirely. The tool gives you a specific code, which you can look up to pinpoint the issue immediately. This alone can save you hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars in diagnostic fees and prevent a small problem from turning into a major one. But it does so much more than just read codes. One of the most powerful features is its ability to display live engine data. You can see real-time information as the engine is running. This includes critical stats like engine temperature, RPM, throttle position sensor data, injector timing, and ignition timing. Being able to monitor these parameters live is invaluable for performance tuning and troubleshooting. For example, you can see if your engine is running too hot, if the throttle is responding correctly, or if an injector is acting up. It's like having an X-ray view into your engine's performance. Specifically for outboard motors, the YDS provides comprehensive system checks. You can monitor the entire engine system, from the fuel pumps to the cooling system. And speaking of cooling, this is a huge one for marine engines. Overheating is one of the most common and damaging issues for any boat or jet ski. The YDS allows you to actively monitor the cooling system's performance, checking water temperature and pressure. You can often detect a failing water pump or a blockage before it causes catastrophic engine damage. This proactive approach to maintenance is what separates the pros from the amateurs. Another fantastic feature is the ability to perform engine tests and actuations. This means you can use the tool to manually trigger different components. For example, you can test individual fuel injectors to see if they are firing correctly, or test the ignition coils. This is incredibly useful for isolating a problem. Instead of swapping out parts, hoping to find the culprit, you can test them directly from your laptop, saving a ton of time, money, and frustration. For those of you who like to keep detailed records, the YDS also allows you to log and save data. You can record an entire session on the water and then play it back later to analyze how the engine performed under different loads and conditions. This is perfect for diagnosing those intermittent problems that only seem to happen at full throttle or after the engine has been running for a while. You can capture the data when the problem occurs and then dissect it later in your workshop. Using the tool is surprisingly straightforward. It typically comes with a hardware interface that connects to your engine's diagnostic port and a USB cable that plugs into a Windows laptop. The software is user-friendly and presents the data in a clear, easy-to-understand format. You don't have to be a certified Yamaha technician to get massive value out of it. Whether you're a weekend warrior who loves to DIY, a performance tuner pushing the limits, or a small marine repair shop, the Yamaha YDS is a game changer. It empowers you with the same diagnostic capabilities as a dealership, right in your own garage. In conclusion, investing in a Yamaha YDS marine diagnostic tool is one of the smartest moves you can make as a Yamaha owner. It takes the guesswork out of engine maintenance and repair, helps you catch problems early, and gives you the data you need to keep your engine running at peak performance. It's not just a tool, it's peace of mind on the water. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this breakdown was helpful. If you have any questions about the Yamaha YDS, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more marine tech reviews and tips. We'll see you in the next one.